Warm meal is just what he needs. He's hungry. 4 dedicated wildlife rescuers from the Miracle Animal Rescues team are going to spend 7 cold days in the heart of the wilderness with one mission: to save as many animals as possible. Day 1. Arrival at the site, setting up a mobile camp, preparing equipment. Day 2, and here comes the call. The fox is trapped. It won't be easy. Every second counts. They need to get her out of there, treat the wound, and get her back into the wild. Back to where she belongs. Another life saved. Even in the wilderness, sleep is a luxury. The call came in the dead of night. A caribou in distress. They need to find it, and fast. They found him, badly wounded and weak. He needs help, now. They clean the wound, bandage it up, and give him a shot of antibiotics. They're doing everything they can. The day brings new challenges, new calls, new animals in need. A Wolverine pup, lost and alone. They have to find him before it's too late. There he is, Cold, scared, and all alone, he needs warmth and food and fast. Back to camp, where he can get the care he needs. Inside the warmth of the tent, he starts to relax. A warm meal is just what he needs. He's hungry. The best thing would be to reunite him with his mother. They're doing everything they can to find her. The mother recognizes her pup. A happy reunion. Another family reunited. Another success story. A beaver trapped under the ice. They need to act fast, racing against time to reach the beaver, searching for any sign of the trapped beaver. There he is. They get him out, but he is cold and exhausted. Warmth is critical. They need to get his body temperature up. Back to base, where they can provide proper care. He's safe and warm now. Time to recover. Checking his vitals to make sure he is stable. Back into his element. Stronger now, thanks to their help. Back to his home and to his daily life. Saving North American wildlife. Protecting wildlife one animal at a time.